Bitcoin money value equivalent to 2,269.83 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2,233.24 to 2,342.35. The earlier day close, 2,276.29. The change was 6.46, 0.28%. Reverse rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin money cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 23.62 rands, high 25.27, low 21.97. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost 23.67 rands, high 25.33, low 22.01. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 23.03 rands, high 24.64, low 21.42. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 23.08 rands, high 24.70, low 21.46. And multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 23.56 rands, high 25.21, low 21.91. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost 22.92 rands, high 24.52, low 21.32. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 23.57 rands, high 25.22, low 21.92. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 23.75 rands, high 25.41, low 22.09. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 22.76 rands, high 24.35, low 21.17. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost 22.28 rands, high 23.84, low 20.72. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 22.59 rands, high 24.17, low 21.01. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 21.75 rands, high 23.27, low 20.23. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 22.29 rands, high 23.85, low 20.73. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 20.92 rands, high 22.38, low 19.46. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 21.89 rands, high 23.42, low 20.36. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 20.93 rands, high 22.40, low 19.46. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 21.51 rands, high 23.02, low 2,000. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 20.59 rands, high 22.03, low 19.15. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 22.10 rands, high 23.65, low 20.55. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 22.49 rands, high 24.06, low 20.92. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 21.59 rands, high 23.10, low 2008. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 22.46 rands, high 24.03, low 20.89. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Bitcoin money cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 22.03 rands, excessive cost 25.41, while low cost 19.46. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.10. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 21.51, change for April 2.4%. Bitcoin money conjecture for May 2023. Before all else cost at 21.51 rands, excessive cost 26.80, while low cost 18.92. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.89. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 2034, change for May 5.4%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 2034 rands, excessive cost 2034, while low cost 17.16. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.07. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 18.45, change for June 9.3%. Bitcoin money figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 18.45 rands, excessive cost 20.53, while low cost 17.85. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.01. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 19.19, change for July 4.0%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 19.19 rands, exorbitant cost 23.82, while low cost 19.19. They found the middle value of cost 21.12. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 22.26, change for August 16.0%. Bitcoin money gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 22.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.26, while low cost 17.41. Found the middle value of cost 2016. Bitcoin money cost gauge toward the month's end 1872, change for September 15.9%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 1872 rands. Excessive cost 1872, while low cost 1607. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1770. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 1728, change for October 7.7%. Bitcoin money figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 1728 rands. Excessive cost 1791, while low cost 1557. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1688. Bitcoin money cost figure toward the month's end 1674, change for November 3.1%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 1674 rands. Exorbitant cost 1984, while low cost 1674. Found the middle value of cost 1797. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1854, change for December 10.8%. Bitcoin money estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 1854 rands. Exorbitant cost 1854, while low cost 1468. Found the middle value of cost 1689. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1579, change for January 14.8%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 1579 rands. Exorbitant cost 1960, while low cost 1579. Found the middle value of cost 1738. Bitcoin money cost estimate toward the month's end 1832, change for February 16.0%. Bitcoin money conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 1832 rands. Excessive cost 1832, while low cost 1431. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1659. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1539, change for spring 16.0%. Bitcoin money cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 1539 rands. Excessive cost 1539, while low cost 1202. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1393. Bitcoin money cost conjecture toward the month's end 1293, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to BCH conversion standard equivalent to 0.4406 coins per 1,000 rand. The present reach 0.4269 minus 0.4478. The earlier days nearby 0.4393. Change for now plus 0.0013 plus 0.30%. ZAR to BCH cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.423 coins, high 0.455.